I'm just going to turn this into an 80s Yap series. So the answer to which member drove me most insane today is Yuno. Finally get the Yuno update. Earlier today, I think we had group updates. So this one, I think it was an interview which I haven't watched yet. We still have Cherry. So Blan Mingi, Cherry. I think it was a 5-minute interview. It's on Instagram, and then we have other group photos. Cute Sunny. We have Mingy. Then the other members. They look so good. Cute. Matt's doing heart. The same heart. They're cute. Look at Hong Jung's hand. They're so tiny. He's so cute. That's, oh, wait. I see Usang. So cute. Okay. That's for the one. We have also photoshoot. More photoshoot photos for Sun. It looks so cute. Ah. Look at that. They're so happy. It's so cute. Some of them I've seen earlier, some not. So, I'm still gonna fangirl regardless. So, we have more of the video for the GQ. Look at him. He's so cute. Cute? I was supposed to say cute and then it turned cool. Look at him. He looks so good, man. Damn. I think this was the... He's so cute. Hey, I love this. This is the part I love. He's running up the stairs smiling. It was longer today. That's it. We have very handsome... We have very handsome son. More shoots. He's so cute. Look at him. Not with a pencil. And then this one. It looks so good, damn. I love Sun with his hair down, but I love Sun with his hair up as well. It's so cute. And then we also had a Usan content earlier today. Look at them. They're so cute. I think neither one of them got. Is this an actual content vlog or is just for posting? I'm not sure. The head is so cute. Kindly enlighten me if you know. Because if it's a content, when will it be released? San is so cute. Look, are so cute, Wusan. I love my Wusan. There's so... Okay, so that's it for that. What did we have today? We also had the behind for Adrenaline and NASA. I've also watched this. There's a Yap version of this on my Tumblr account. And I also did a Yuno edit. Because Yuno look so good here. Oh my god, where's my edit? I'm gonna show you some of the clips. This one, look at him. I did a Yuno cut. I did a Yuno cut for that behind. Because look at him, he's so handsome. He's doing that rar. That's it. If you have not watched this, please watch it. Man, he's so tiny. How did that 6'1" tall? How did he look so tiny in that? The dance practice. It's so cute. It looks so good at that behind. Anyway. Actually, we had Yuno post today. My friend and I were talking about it yesterday. That Yuno had no post yesterday because I think he just got back from Japan. But anyway, he just posted some of the Japan photos. It's so cute. Oh, look at him. He's so cute. That's my baby. I went to Kamakura, I think, because of the green train. He's so cute. Look at that shot. This is a very, very fluffy, you know. I think that's his brother. I think him is so cute. Is this melon soda? If it is, I'm envious. Yeah, he's so cute. And then he had some Shibuya shots. Oh, I love that. Love that for him. He got a photo that's where there's not much people around. How late was this? Hey, look at him. He's so cute. That's my baby. So cute. So that's that for Japan. Honestly, I'm not sure if I'm envious that he was in Japan or if I'm envious because Japan had him at some point. I miss Japan. Hopefully, our trip this year will push through If not, see you in 2027 Japan. I miss Japan. And then we also had the announcement for going to Milan Fashion Week. Will I survive next week? I'm not sure because we have Yunho for Milan Fashion Week on 24th. I think Kuyang is the one on 26th, and then San for 28th. That's my top 3 bias. So I'm not sure how I will survive next week. I'm sorry for the person I will become next week. That's it. That's for me. Also did the challenge today. Look at him, he's a baby. No, Sang is so cute. Yes, Kuya Sangi. I love the part in the behind where everybody keeps praising him. He's so cute. They did it 3 times. He's so cute. No idea. And then there was also an announcement for an 80s content with Sulgi. I love this. Songwa Woo-young Jongho will appear on Sulgi's YouTube channel content. Hi Sulgi. So tomorrow, I have something to watch when I get home tomorrow. Look at them, they're so cute. Wait. It's mute. They're doing random dances, Jongho. Ay, Sugi, they're so cute. I'm so excited for this. I love my baby girl, Sulgi. Let's go. Also, so Tyla liked and reposted an Instagram reel of Yuno because of the channel challenge and adrenaline prison. I love that for you, man. This one, they also have this content yesterday. This content tomorrow, later. I'm not sure. Sunny had a live today as well. Favorite yapper. I watched that when I woke up from my nap today. This one, he went on the live. He went on a walk with 18s today. Look at that. Let's pretend we're on a natural video call. Why are you only answering now? I love San yapping, so I watched that earlier today. Why am I doing a yapping session? I don't know. I just love recaps as a person with a goldfish memory. These are the pages I usually look for updates. There was a oh yeah, Mingy also commented on Yunho's recent post, of course, Ayungi. There's also Yunho posted in from chat earlier. Yeah, he yapped today. I love that for him. Oh, this was one I wanted to show everyone. Look at them. Oh my god, Mayungi. There was also this post. I saw this today because the the Tok app notified, but there was no post. Maybe it's for tomorrow. I'm not sure. Where's that? I'm excited for it because it's Songhwa. Let's go. This one was also posted today. Honestly, I was so confused because Woo-young is blonde. I was like, is this new? Is this old? How old is this? But look at them. They look so good. That's Songhwa. Everyone looks so good. But how ancient is that one? That's that. See? Woo-young is blonde. He looks so good though. But I get why everyone in the Rizabay show, he got teased a lot for having a lined lip. Look at that. His lips are beautiful. Why did they have to line it? I get why he... But it's not his fault. He's not the one doing the makeup on himself. Oh yeah, I remember this one. I have to show this because... Look at that. More Yoongi content. They're so cute. Yeah. I love Yoongi. I love them. And there's also a Busan variant. Look at them. The Busan variant. They're doing that to each other, but they're smiling. My Busan. So that's it for today, I think.